Hello and welcome to my slidecast. My name is Kylie Touchstone and this is an introduction to computer-aided design. Now you may be wondering what computer-aided design is. Well, computer-aided design, or otherwise known as CAD, is a software that engineers use to create, modify, analyze, or optimize a design. It is generally used to create 2D drawings or 3D models, but it can also do so much more. It can be used to create simple objects like Legos or complex systems like cars. There are many uses of CAD. Here are listed some of the uses. As stated before, CAD can be used to create detailed 2D drawings or 3D models. These drawings or models can be easily altered. Design tables can also be used so that you can create many alterations of a part quickly and easily. CAD can also create photorealistic rendering, which gives the user the capability to see a design as it would look like in real life. For example, the car shown as a rendering and it shows off the design well. CAD can also do finite element analysis, which predicts how an object reacts to forces, vibrations, and other physical effects. The bridge shown is a good example of this. As you can see, it clearly shows the effects of the forces by the different colors, and also shows the displacement the forces cause. CAD can also do computational fluid dynamics, which simulates a fluid passing through or around an object. CAD can also be used to create an animation that would demonstrate basic operations of a design. It can also be used for computer-aided manufacturing, which can stimulate the use of machining tools and can also be used to control machining tools in the manufacturing of an object. Now, CAD might sound complicated, but there are 4 basic steps to creating something CAD. First the drawing, then the part, then adding features, and finally creating an assembly. Step 1 is the drawing, which is the 2D aspect of the part. You're going to want to start with the basic shape or profile of an object. This will need to be fully dimensioned, so later all the parts will fit together. Next, you're going to want to create the part of the 3D model. You're going to want to take your drawing and extrude the drawing to the dimensions you want it to be. Next, you're going to want to alter your base part so it becomes the object you want. You do this by using the features in CAD. Some of the features are fillet, shelling, cutting, lofts, and so many more. After you create your first part, you repeat the steps till you have all the parts you want. Finally, you're going to want to create an assembly. You first need to pick the stationary part, the part that won't move. For example, the stationary part in the picture would be the middle rod. Then you're going to want to add parts and screen them in respect to the stationary part. You're going to want to screen them until they only move the way you want to. For example, you would not want the piston of an engine to slide off the rod. This is why it's important that the drawings were fully dimensioned. If they were not, when you put together the assembly, the pieces would not fit together. After you complete the basic steps to creating something in CAD, you can apply one or all the uses stated before that CAD has to offer. In addition, there are help databases built into the software of CAD, and there are also many additional resources online, like tutorials and examples. Thank you for listening to my podcast about computer-aided design, and I hope it inspires you to go create something of your own.